Hey Rory, some lady on the internet says you're cold. You should probably come inside. You're not made for this cold weather.
This is my dog. He's a Husky, built for the cold, literally born in a blizzard. But every winter, my neighbor Karen calls the cops because my dog isn't wearing a sweater. And today, the cops actually showed up to issue a $50 fine because my dog, get this, wasn't wearing clothes. When I told him he's a Husky, the officer said, "Even Huskies need pants, sir." So now apparently, if I don't put him in a three-piece suit, I'm an animal abuser. Meanwhile, Karen's cat has been pooping in my yard for 6 years straight. But that's fine. But my dog enjoying the snow? War crime. So, should I pay the $50 fine or get a lawyer and go full freezing Husky versus the state? Let me know in the comments. I kicked my Husky out of my house today. I packed his things, told him he needed to go. All he does is eat my food, sleep in my bed, and never lifts a paw to help. He takes over my bed like he pays rent. Sleeps all day while I work, and he never, not once, did his own laundry. But then he looked at me, just sat there staring, like he knew, like he felt it too, and for a second, I couldn't breathe. I almost told him to stay. I walked up to him, having second thoughts, and he stretched like nothing was wrong, like his whole world wasn't about to change, like mine wasn't already breaking. He even sat at the table this morning, tried to act normal, like we were still us. If you see him out there, tell him I'm sorry. Tell him I need him. Tag him, share this, help me bring my boy home.